Hello?
Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can get notified each time that I upload. Also, follow me on all my social media platforms where I keep you updated and do giveaways and say hi to you guys. And if you are an oldie but a goodie, welcome back to my channel. And let's get right into the video. Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So I know it's kind of an upload that's a little bit later, but forgive me please. I've just been doing things and just you guys, life is hectic. But today I am showing you how to do press-on nails for super cheap. So all of this stuff I got from the dollar store and it was hella cheap. Can I say hella? Is hella a bad word? I don't think it's a bad word. Hella? Like hello. But yeah, you guys, so it was super cheap. These nail tips are $1. Which they're not nail tips, they're press-on nails, honey. Okay, so these are from the Dollar Tree, and I'm just showing you the other ones because you can actually buy any one that you want. It doesn't matter. I mean, if you don't like the color underneath that when it shows, then I would recommend filing the color off, and then you won't have that problem. Especially with the French, you can file the color off, which is pretty cool. I was just having a little bit of trouble gluing these on because I feel like if I would have filed a little bit more, then they would have been strong enough to actually stick. But other than that, it did stick pretty well. And yeah, you guys, so you will need 2 packs of these in order to do this design on both hands if you wanted to double the nail tips and make them longer. Of course, I like my nails long, so honey, I don't mind spending the $2 to get 2 packs of these so I can do each one. I know you guys are gonna say but one side is bigger than the other. Yeah, you want to know why? Because honey, I be trying to save them coins. Don't nobody got time to be spending all this money. Okay, I don't got time for it. I can make thousands of dollars and I still would not spend so much money on nails. They break, they come off, they don't last long. I know people say, oh well, you know, this is my thing to do, you know, for myself. I totally understand, but me being me, honey, I would not spend $80 on some nails. And I am a nail tech, and I get it. To all my nail techs out there, I know you want to charge $80 to do some nails. Hey, go for it, whatever. I don't even care. But I personally, me, Kristina, would not pay $80 to get my nails done. Maybe it's just because I have animals and I feel like I want to, you know, buy them food and stuff. But before I even buy that, but I do love saving money. When it comes to hair and nails, it's just something that doesn't last long. It's something that you always have to do. Let's say you spend $80 every 2 weeks to get your nails done. That's a lot of money. And it's not, yeah, I don't see myself spending it. But other than that, these nail tips are $1 from the Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to be shaping them. I did cut them into a coffin shape. You guys know I love coffin or a nice square. And then I'm just using the Kiss nail glue that is also from the Dollar Tree. So at this point, we are at $3, you guys. So $3 at this point. And then I'm going to go in with some baking soda just to strengthen them up because I like to put acrylic on my press-on nails normally, but if I don't put acrylic, then I would put something else, which would be baking soda, cornstarch, flour, things like that, just to make them a little bit thicker. This nail file is also from the Dollar Tree, and it is $1, so we are at $4, okay? $4. The baking soda is at the Dollar Tree for 50 cents, so we would be at $4.50. And then you would have your nail polishes and your top coat. My top coat is $1, also from Dollar Tree. And what else? And then the nail polishes, I used 3 nail polishes in this video, which are $1 each. So I spent about how much did I spend? $4.50 and then $5.50, $8.50. So I spent $8.50 on my nails, you guys. The sponges are makeup sponges. You don't have to do ombre, so I'm not gonna include those because it's just, yeah, I decided to do ombre, which at the end I decided to do ombre because I was going to do just a regular pink, but I did switch it up and decide to do the ombre. So yeah, I'm trying to think if there's anything else that I will have to say to you guys. No, I think that's just about it. So yeah, you guys, that is just what I did. I'm filing right here, and then I'm just gonna do the baking soda like if I was doing dip nails. If you guys don't know what dip nails is, it's just to add a layer of glue, dip your nail in acrylic, which in this case would be baking soda or cornstarch, whichever one works for you, and then brush them off, nail glue, dip again, brush it off, nail glue, dip again, and you got yourself some durable press-ons. Which you don't have to use nail glue, you guys. You can also use just like those sticky things, so you can take them off and put them back on. Not for the part where you're gonna like adhere the other nail, but for actually putting them on your fingers. I would do the little stickies if you want them to last longer. With the glue, you have to wait till they fall off, or run them under hot water, things like that. And I just use regular nail polish. You do have to wait for them to dry, but honey, it was only $8. Like, you can't go wrong if you're hitting the town for the night, and you just needed some nails, or you finna go see Bae and you want your nails done. You know what I'm saying? Or you gotta be, and you trying to look cute for him. You know what I'm saying? Like, you can't go wrong for $8. So yeah, you guys, that is pretty much it. And yeah, I just wanted to go with a nice classy design. I did ombre glitter, ombre nail polish, and then a regular full nail of glitter, which I decided to put the nude underneath because when I tried the glitter by itself, it wasn't building up to that opaque color that I wanted. So I had to, yeah, do that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I love you guys. I will see you in my next video tomorrow. And I'm also working on Saturday, so stay tuned for that. If you want to see some super cheap acrylics that I tested out, and I'm so excited to show you because I'm actually doing those with dual forms. If y'all don't know what dual forms is, you don't need no nail drill, and you definitely don't need no nail lamp. So yeah, you guys, if you want to check that out, definitely stay tuned for Saturday. And don't forget, I have a vlog channel with my husband. If I call him my boyfriend, I'm just so used to calling him my boyfriend, but he is my husband legally. And yeah, you guys, we have a vlog channel. We have a whole bunch of animals and just a little zoo going on. But if you guys want to check that out, definitely look in the description box down below because the link will be in there. And like I said, I love you guys. Give this video a nice big thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you can be notified each time that I upload. I love you guys, and I will see you tomorrow.